Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Nahida Sultana Shima and this is the religion class of class 4. First of all, we have to read what we have to know, we have to memorize what we read in the previous class. Okay, in previous class we did number 3 topic, respect to the elders and affection to the youngers. And number 4, to behave well with your neighbors. Today's topic is nursing the patient. Okay. In our house there are parents, grandparents, brothers and sisters, and in outside there are neighbors, classmates, relatives and playmates. Okay, anyone can feel sick anytime. Okay, we have to know how we feel well when we become sick. Okay, I can see you closer. Okay. Um when we feel sick, our body become weak and we feel helpless. We feel bad enough if we suffer with fever. We do not feel well to eat anything. Then we need medical treatment. We need to call doctors. We need nursing. Pouring water in the head needs for fever. If the fever is severe, the entire body needs to expunge with wet cloths. They should use medicine with the advice of doctor. The ill are to be given nursing. The illness will recover inshallah and the patient will be cured. Okay, what we need then? We need then medical treatment, we need then nursing, and our parents are to be given nursing and provided with medical facilities. Okay, the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to give nursing to the patient. He said, give nursing to the patient. Okay, we can read story from your book, that is about Fuad. Fuad is a good boy. Once his mother suffered from severe fever. There was none in the house. He called doctor for his mother. The doctor tested his mother and said, "Oh Fuad, pour water in your mother's head. Then let her take this medicine timely. She will be cured, inshallah." Fuad lets his mother to take medicine timely. He poured water in her head regularly. He prayed to Allah for his mother's recovery. His mother became cured by the grace of Allah. Fuad thanked Allah. Okay, students. So what we have what we have to do to the patient, we will give nursing the patient, inquire about them and pray to Allah for their recovery. Okay, our next topic is speaking the truth. Speak the truth is a great virtue. A truthful person is called Sadiq, and the person who tells lie is called Kazib. And Sadiq and Kazib are the Arabic words of truthfulness and telling lie. Okay, uh, there are some reviewers who always speak the truth. Okay, everybody loves him, everybody trusts him. Allah also love him. He is very dear to Allah. He is loved and honored by everyone in this world, and in the next world he will get the heaven. Telling lies is the root of all sins. The man who tells a lie is called a liar, that I said before. And everybody, and then we have to know the punishment of telling lies. Nobody loves him. Everybody hates and abhors him. Nobody helps him at the time of danger. Allah also hates him and does not love him. In the next world he will be in the hellfire. Okay, our great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam from his boyhood was always known to everybody as a truthful man. He used to speak the truth and orders and encourage others to tell the truth. He never told a lie. That is why everybody used to respect and honor him. The great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Truth sets a man free and lies ruin him." Okay, students, I can show you a story about Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and this is the keywords of the story. Okay, I can help you by reading the story. A man came to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He told that he did all the bad things, but he wanted to leave that bad things. So he asked Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam which one first he leave. Okay, Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, stop lying first. The man did as Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was said. The man was saved from all other sins because he left stop lying. Okay, students, this is the story from Speaking Truth, and this is the end of today's class. And there are some homework for you. That is, please make 15 OSA from these two topics, and I will give you some exercise and also the lecture sheet to the website, and please download the lecture sheet and the exercise from our website. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.